What's up, everybody? Thought I'd give you a quick overview of my 2005 F-250 King Ranch. Let's take a look. I just love the look of the 2005 to 2007 F-250s, 350s. I just think it's a classic look. It's timeless to me, and definitely a dream truck. So just body style alone, I feel like it holds up really well even in the current days right now with Illumina duties or whatever you want to call it, in the newer model trucks. All right, I love the King Ranch leather. I mean, that's a #1 for me. Thankfully, I don't have any tears. Condition it with saddle soap. Just try and keep them up. Need to clean the truck out a little bit, but yeah, I love these seats, that King Ranch leather. You can't beat it. Next up, it's got to be that straight pipe exhaust.